Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with solar power prep, quad slides, outside shower, quad step entry, heated enclosed underbelly, outside cable and satellite hookup, outside speakers, LED exterior lighting, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, backup camera ready, automatic levelers, flip-down travel rack, universal docking system, roof ladder, outside kitchen refrigerator, entry grab handle, living room fireplace, walk-around queen bed, dresser with TV stand, dual lights over headboard, LED interior lighting, 3-burner range, shower skylight, entertainment center, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, stainless steel kitchen appliances, overhead kitchen storage, ceiling fan, bedroom chest with drawers. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.